Doing pretty good. Thank you so much for asking. Although my left arm is sore and I really don't know why. Like, what the fuck did I do with my left arm? Back! Back! Beat your brother up, maybe? No, he doesn't live by me. I can't beat him up. And I don't think I could beat him up IRL either. Vic, would you let me beat you up?
You try.
But
I don't
would
even
you-
think if I
but-
just stood there. I don't even think if I just stood there and let you, I don't think you could.
But can I? Can I just beat you up?
Yeah, you
Oh,
can
okay.
try.
Okay, cool. Next time you visit, next time I visit, I'm beating you up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. They couldn't walk.
I'd like
up.
to move. I got combo broken.
Doing everything I can. What the fuck?
What the fuck was that? What was the point of that, Annie?
No.
You dumbass.
Oh, I saw. Hey, you're in there. Like swimwear. How's the games? This has been pretty fun. Oh! I say as I'm screaming my eyes out. It's been pretty fun. Ah! Okay. Comedic timing.
I'd like to move.
The Nihilus is scary. He's so large. He's so large.
You get phenomenal evil slap around tank engine. He got tank engine and got Stegosaurus. Okay.
Okay, he's that large of a target and I still missed, by the way, guys.
Makes sense. It's you though. You still missed, even with your ult.
No, I wasn't trying to hit him. I was trying to hit this guy. Get off my face. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, no.
Oh, did we just lose here?
Bye. I'm gonna be heading to bed after this one, too. So, everyone, good night. Sleep well.
GG's, you think?
Oh, Dad just told me I'm making too many scary noises. Going to sleep. Sorry.
There's a tiny little Nautilus on the screen. Try hitting him. Did you do it?
Can't move though. Oh.
Can somebody?
Just live. Live.
I'm sorry.
Live. You didn't live. Oh wait, I had redemption.
She really wanted the Nami, guys. She really wanted it so much.
That's so funny. Vic, did you know I had redemption?
I'm glad you held it for the next game.
You're not funny.
Alright, good night.
Good night, everyone. Sleep well, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. I'll find someone to raid since I literally got 2 raids today. I should probably give back, huh? La 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 la. Thank you for everyone that joined today. Thank you for all the raids. I really appreciate the love and the support. Once this loads, that'd be amazing. Let's see. Who shall I raid, guys? Someone with a little less viewers. A girl, mayhaps? I'll rate this girl. La 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 la. I hope everyone sleeps really good and has the sweetest of dreams ever. Hey, let me pick raid now. Look over here. I hate you. Oh, okay. But I already picked her. Pick my next one. Pick my next one, okay?